I like a good vegetarian meal every now and then. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making a vegetarian asparagus pasta dinner. Stay tuned. This vegetarian asparagus pasta dinner is easy to make and very satisfying. You can use the pasta of your choice. Tonight I'm using a tricolor penne pasta and cooking according to the directions. I have some mushrooms that I cleaned and quartered, and I'm sautéing them for a couple minutes in a little olive oil over medium heat. Then I'm removing from the pan and setting to the side. Next, in a skillet on medium-high heat, I'm adding in some water and my asparagus. I cut about an inch off the bottom of the asparagus, and then cut the stalks into about an inch or two pieces. Adding in some salt, black pepper, minced garlic, and diced onions. Giving that a good stir, bringing up to a simmer, covering and cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. Now I'm adding in the pasta and stirring to combine. I have my heat on medium. I'm pouring in a little extra virgin olive oil, a little more salt and black pepper, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and this is optional. And you can add any additional seasonings that you like, but I'm just adding in a little oregano, giving everything a good stir to combine. Adding in some sliced cherry tomatoes, my sautéed mushrooms, and finally 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Giving everything a good stir to combine and let the tomatoes heat through and the cheese melt. This will only take a minute and it is ready to serve. This vegetarian asparagus pasta is such a light but hearty meal. It is so easy to make and you can have this ready in less than 30 minutes. Serve with a slice of bread and a side salad and you have a meal. I hope you give this vegetarian asparagus pasta a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!